What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got a pretty big NASCAR Diecast haul unboxing. I've been saving these packages for a few weeks now because there's a very common theme within these boxes, and you will see as the video goes on. But we've got some extra odds and ends, but we're going to get into it, and then we're going to check out what I'm trying to do with my collection here, because I'm trying to put together a collection of a certain type of car, and this video will showcase that, plus a few others. So let's get into it with this first one. So I've been saving these packages, so I don't know which is which, but I know, of course, what I've ordered, so we will just get into them one by one, and it'll be a surprise to me as well in what order we can bring them out in. Alright, so first up, see if I can get in here. I know which one this is already from the bubble wrap. It is gonna be... what the hell? Alright, here we go. Elliott Sadler's 2004 Halloween M&M's number 38. Ford Taurus, 2004 Halloween M&M's. It's the first one out. And we're gonna pop in the next one. Let's see which one I can find. Let's see if I can get these open easily here. So probably cut me doing this nonsense out because I'm doing stupid at it. What the f... Alright, next car out. Okay, we got two in here. It is the Elliott Sadler 2003 M&M's Halloween diecast. So you can already put together what's going on here, because next is the Ken Schrader M&M's 2002 4th of July diecast. So you might already be piecing together what's going on here. Okay, so next car out is going to be Kyle Busch in his M&M's Halloween 2016 Toyota Camry. What is going on here? 3 packages up. 3 Halloween M&M cars so far. Alright, next package is open, and it is going to be Terry Labonte's Got Milk number 5. So this is the first one that does not go along with the theme of the video, but like I said at the beginning, a few odds and ends will make its way in here. Next package up, we're getting back to the basics here of the video, because we've got Ken Schrader in his 2002 M&M's Halloween. Sweet. Next package up, Ken Schrader Halloween M&M's 2001. This one is my favorite that's going to show up today. Really cool. Alright, moving on. Let's see. Alright, next package open. And we've got Ken Schrader M&M 4th of July. The Patriotic 2000 is the year on this one. Next up, let's see what we got. Next package here, open. And we've got Kyle Petty's Narnia, The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe, number 45. Pretty cool, of course. Threw in a sticker, that's nice. So that is sick. We'll see if we can move on pretty quickly here to the next box. All right, next box open. Because this one is a really cool one. Really rare one. Tony Raines. 2007 Shrek the Third. COT. Pretty rare. So that's really cool. Glad to get that one. Moving on. Next box open. Trying to speed this along here and cut out some of this box cutting and whatnot, because the next one up is the 2000 Ken Schrader Halloween M&M. Pretty cool. Really nice. On to the next. Next box open. And this will be Jeff Green's Chronicles of Narnia, Lion, Witch, Wardrobe, number 43. So, got both of these to go together. Kyle Petty, Jeff Green. Really cool, really cool. On to the next. Let's see here. Next one, out and ready. Let's see what we're going to get. Oh, yeah. So this is Ricky, Rudd, and David Gilliland's Snickers and M&M's 2-pack for the Susan G. Komen. Of course, the pink M&M's. So this is pretty cool. There's the Snickers, and here's the M&M's. Really cool, really cool. All right, next box open. It is going to be Bobby Labonte's autographed Boniva number 18. Pretty cool. Comes in this nice protective case. Love the scheme. Bonus that it was autographed, so that's pretty nice. Pretty cool to add that one. Getting down to the end of it here. Looks like we got 3 left. So this next one is open here. And coming out, we're going to have Kyle Busch and his 2011 M&M's Halloween Camry. So the cat and the diecast is out of the bag now. A goal of mine that just came to my head is to get all of the Halloween M&M diecasts over the years, because they got 3 things that I really love: orange, the holiday of Halloween, and M&M's. All 3 of those go together every single year, basically. So I figured I'm going to try to get them all. So this unboxing video here is one step closer to that goal. Got a few left after this to see if I can find, but hopefully I will. So this next to last box is open. And it has, surprise, surprise, Kyle Busch M&M's Halloween 2019 diecast here. Toyota Camry. We are trying to complete that set here. And I think we got 1 left. So last box is open. And I know what this is just off the process of elimination. And this is the newest one, the 2024 Busch Light Ross Chastain #1. Chevy Camaro. This thing is a beaut. I love this, so it's cool that I saved it for last. Awesome, awesome diecast there. But that will do it for this one. A massive unboxing. It had a purpose. It had a goal to it. A crap ton of M&M diecast. Some obscure drivers in there. Ricky Rudd, Tony Raines, David Gilliland, Jeff Green. So, leave a comment on which diecast you thought was the coolest from this video. And subscribe for more. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for checking this one out.